Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Tips and Tricks with Renaissance Tech. Today I want to touch base on some customized features we've done for one of our customers. So to get us started, as you can see, I'm in the configuration. This customer produces credit cards, and one thing they were having issues with is they were using two different systems to track the customer, putting their information and order criteria in one, and then two, if the customer wanted a custom design on their credit card, they were using a separate system to track and manage that. So one thing we've done today, as you can see from a normal configuration, is we've gone through and added in all of our information needed for our card. What it needs to say, we uploaded our image. And one thing that we've added to help this customer out is one, we have an order entry folks that come through and put this order in the system, as you can see here. From here, we can go in and assign someone from our graphics team who's going to be working on this project here. So as we assign this to John Smith, you'll notice he can go and upload the proof of the file here. Within, we can add our proof of the American flag and upload right into our configuration here. Secondly, from there, we can go and say, okay, here's the status of our project. And then lastly, what we like to showcase is the chat log. So this is something that we helped with our customer, really customizing and solving this unique challenge. John Smith, our order entry, customer submitted the picture and all their information, and then we assign this to John to ready to proof. We're able to go in now and we can see that John Doe has came in here and see the proof is available for customer review. And now lastly, as I'm logged in as the sales rep, I can go in here and add the last post to say customer has accepted our proof. Please place order for manufacturer. So this is just one way that we can easily keep track of all the information going in between, and also help make sure that we're getting the information and being able to assign this to the correct person in our organization. As you can see, we have the timestamps and the date associated with these chat logs to make sure that we're being as effective and efficient as possible to make sure that we're able to get this out to our customer in a timely manner. So I hope this has helped showcase just another way that Renaissance Tech is going outside of the box and being able to solve those unique challenges while also eliminating multiple systems to do your jobs for your customer. Thank you again for attending, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.